Hello, students. So today we'll study the chapter The Sermon at Banaras. Sermon is actually a religious talk given at any religious place. It is the Sermon at Banaras actually throws the light upon the early life of the Lord Buddha, who was originally born as a prince in the royal family, and on being exposed to the sufferings of the world, which he was earlier shielded from, he left his princehood and went in the search of the salvation, thus leaving all the worldly pleasures behind. Upon attending the spiritual awakening, he gave his first sermon in the city of the Banaras, hereby making a lady named Kiza Gautami realize that the men are mortal and a wise person should not grieve at what is bound to happen, for it only enhances pain and suffering. This is, you can say, is all about the chapter. See, this Gautam Buddha was born to the North Indian royal family as a prince and was named the Siddhartha Gautama. When he was 12-year-old, he was sent to a faraway place to study Hindu sacred scriptures, and upon returning 4 years later, he got married to a princess. Soon they both had a son, and they continued to live the royal life for about 10 years. The royals were shielded from all the unpleasant experiences of the world until one day, on his way to hunt, the prince met a sick man, an aged man, and a funeral procession and a monk begging for alms. These experiences acted as eye-opener for him, and thus he left all the royalty behind to seek a higher sense of the spiritual knowledge. Upon attaining the salvation, he began preaching. He gave his first sermon in the city of the Banaras. There was a lady named Kisa Gautami whose son had died. Suffering with unending pain, she went from house to house looking for a medicine to bring her son back to life. People started thinking that the lady has lost her senses. One day she met a man who directed her towards the Lord Buddha, who could possibly have a solution for her problem. Buddha asked her to look for mustard seeds, and the seeds must be procured from a house that had seen no death. So she, with hope, Kiza Gautami once again went to a search from a house to house, but her destiny, or you can say the bad luck, she could not find mustard seeds from a house that would fulfill Buddha's condition. So disheartened, she sat at the edge of the road, thus realizing how selfish she had been. She became conscious to the fact that men were mortal and no one could escape the cycle of life. This was exactly the Buddha wanted her to understand. According to the Lord Buddha, feeling of the grief and sorrow only increases man's pain and the suffering. Therefore, a wise person fully aware about the nature's functioning must not grieve at something bound to happen, and only then he can be happy and blessed. Means, if, like for example, it's a death, all of us know that it would take place, it happens, ऐसा होगा, ज़रूर होगा. तो उस पर ज़्यादा दुख करना, खुद को सफरिंग में लाना इज़ नॉट अ वाइज एक्ट. ऑब्वियसली उसको तकलीफ़ होगी, प्रॉब्लम होगी, परेशान होगा इंसान, बट स्टिल the man, of the person, the human should be accept this as a natural cycle. Then only a person can be free from the all pain and sufferings of the world.